Hi everyone! Today we'll be making apple pie bread. So what all do we need for our apple pie bread? We need 1 can apple pie filling, 1 yellow cake mix, 4 eggs slightly beaten, 1 cup self-rising flour, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 medium chopped apple, and sugar and cinnamon to put on the top. So let's begin. And you want to take a big bowl and add all of your dry ingredients. 1 cup self-rising flour, the yellow cake mix, and the 1 tablespoon cinnamon. And go ahead and mix it thoroughly. Try to get all the big lumps out of there. And next you want to take your 1 can of apple pie filling and mash them. And then you want to go ahead and add your wet ingredients. The 4 eggs slightly beaten, and the apple pie filling. And go ahead and mix that completely. And then you want to go ahead and dump in the chopped apples and fold them in. So you want to go ahead and divide the dough between 2 8x4 loaf pans. And you want to go ahead and smooth it out. And then you want to take your cinnamon and sprinkle it all over on the top. And do the same for the sugar. And then you want to go ahead and put them in a 325-degree oven for 40 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Alright, so after 45 minutes, these are now taken out of the oven. We'll go ahead and stick a toothpick in it. It came out clean on that one. Use the other side. And it's clean on that one. And what I like to do when they first come out of the oven is run a knife around the side This one pulled away really, really well, so it's going to be easy to come out. And that way when you get ready to take it out of the pan, it won't stick to the pan. Alright, so we did put the sugar and cinnamon on the top, which I think that will be good, but I do have another idea. I think instead of the sugar and cinnamon, that we could go ahead and make an icing out of powdered sugar and milk. That would be food for thought. Also, I think this would taste good served with vanilla ice cream. So we'll go ahead and wait 10 minutes and we'll take it out of the pans and then we'll put them on the racks and let them cool completely. Okay, so they are out of the pans. They'll sit on these racks and cool completely, and then we'll go ahead and give them the taste test. Alright, so here is the apple pie bread, and we'll go ahead and get my husband to give it a taste test.
It smells really good, and I like the heel, so I always get to have the heel. Oh, it's actually got little chunks of apple in it.
It does.
That is really good.
Do you think it'd be good with ice cream?
It probably would, yeah. If you warmed it up a little bit and put a little ice cream with it, a little vanilla ice cream, but it's good just like it is. I'm gonna have it with milk.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.